What's up, guys? Got the Cummins in the trailer out here picking up this new car. So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up and I'll tell y'all a little bit more about it. What's up, guys? So here we go. Got an 03 Honda Pilot. Picked this thing up for about nothing. Picked it up 550 bucks. So the motor's no bueno in it. The oil pump went out. Supposedly no oil pressure. So 180,000 miles. Stock everything. Leather interior. Thing is pretty freaking clean. Sorry, turning you upside down. Don't know what that is, if it's just a cup holder. Oh hell. Got a little TV in there. Woot, woot. No sunroof. But hell yeah, I can't beat that for 500 bucks. So I'm gonna get these ramps out, get this thing unloaded, and I gotta drop this trailer off. It ain't mine. But yeah, truck's looking good. I love it when it squats like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vid. Action here, boys! What's going on there?
Okay.
Let's scream!
Don't be taking that from them.
That's not good as fuck. Leaving out here in the Candler area. Got some boys over here and some trucks. Got some pretty nice shit out here. Pretty cool boys out there. Talked to a few of them. But yeah, if any of y'all are watching this, it's good to meet y'all. So we'll tear out down here. We'll let y'all hear the comments.
Hey, let's speak right here and get these out. Alright. Let her eat.
What's up, guys? Out here picking up this trailer. About to throw a new hitch in there, but picking up this trailer. Got Joel going to pick up a 4Runner for him and his buddy, and yeah, I'm gonna take it to their house and they're gonna do what they're gonna do with it. But yeah, I figured I'd bring y'all along with me. Should be a pretty cool video. Might get some sound clips of this thing pulling. So there's Joe right there. What's up, Joe? So stay tuned. Indy, God almighty. Girl, come on, huh? Is the frame solid?
Huh? Yeah.
Some cool rigs.
All this shit.
Got the forklift stuck. So, gonna try something else. Alright, we're all loaded up, strapped down. So about to head back to Hendo. So had a fun time backing it in here. Tight as could be, but it's the way we like it around here. But we'll check it out.
But you gotta be careful it doesn't fold the...
Alright guys, doing a little flyby right here. Oh my god.